Hey, want to control which notifications appear while your Nintendo Switch is in sleep mode? This is useful if you don't want interruptions during downtime or you want to make sure important alerts still come through. I'll show you step by step how to customize them. First up, from the home menu, select System Settings. Now scroll down and select Notifications. Here you can manage which apps and game notifications are allowed. Go to Alarm Notifications. Here is the Notifications During Sleep Mode option. If you tap on it, you can get two options, LED and Vibration, which means your Switch will show the LED light and vibrate during sleep notifications. Then LEDs only, which means your Switch will show the LED light only during sleep notifications. Choose whatever you like, and your sleep mode notification will show up just like that from now on. If this video helped, then hit that like button and subscribe for more Switch tips, and comment which notifications you want to manage first, and I'll see you in the next video.